So you'll be needing your band. Then I don't know what this called. I will confirm the name and tell you. I got this from a shoemaker shop. Yeah, it's very long, so you just be needing a little piece of it. I cut out 2 inches. I'll be needing 2 inches of this. Sorry. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to measure and cut out the elastic band we'll be using. For this elastic band, I'll be cutting, normally I cut between 19 inches to 19.5 inches. Reason being that the normal head circumference is from 21 to 23 inches. And since this is an elastic band, it's supposed to be shorter. The length is supposed to be shorter than the normal circumference because it's a stretchy material. So I've cut out my elastic band now. The next thing, I'm going to be using my machine to sew down this elastic band to my wig net, just as I'm showing you in the video. You sew from one end, leaving out a little space, so from one end to the other end. It's very simple. You sew it inside out as I'm showing you on the video. You attach this to this here like this. Then on this under end, you attach this here. I make sure this is up and this is down, so it will be like this, to look like this, like this. You get? And so at this stage, I'm done sewing down my elastic band. I'm just showing you what it looks like. See the way I sew it down, so that when you turn it over, it will be looking flat. And then that excess lace underneath, I'll trim it off later. So the next thing now is to attach that is it macro abi that gum. So at this stage, I was done attaching it, just as I shown you, one side of the other side down. Then the next thing we're going to be doing is to trim off the excess lace underneath.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes.
And yes, this is how our headband wig net looks like. So you can go on to sew on this right now. I'm gonna be showing you another look with our canvas head. Is the same thing. So the next thing is to sew down your weft on it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.